We just arrived in the city of Granada. It's a Spanish city in the Andalusian region. It's famous for the Arabic architecture, as well as one of the most famous places in Spain, Alhambra.
We weren't planning to come to Granada on this trip to Spain, but we've heard so much about it from friends who said it's possibly their favorite city in all of Spain. And right now we're looking for the old souk, which is kind of in the heart of the city. And it has, like, they sell exotic products, and actually I don't know what we'll find. We'll go see.
We managed to get a hotel right in the downtown near the pedestrian district, I guess you could say. Parking is a bit of an issue here. Most hotels don't have parking, and we needed to park about a kilometer away in a section we found for free, but if not, it's about 15 to 30 euros a day.
So far, we haven't made it too far because we keep seeing cool stuff like this beautiful church, and there's alleyways with tapas, and like, look at this guy right there.
On our way to the Plaza de Brambla, we actually came across the entrance to the souk market. So we're gonna go in here and see what's in there.
Yeah, we were actually going a street further.
And then we came across kind of like a hidden entrance.
Yeah.
And it looks pretty cool though.
Kind of like, well, not quite Morocco.
It's also a lot cooler in here. It's
Yeah,
really,
oh
like,
my
cooking
God,
hot
yeah, seriously.
out. And like the walls are cool, or it's like a bit shaded.
Yeah.
And there's a
smell,
a scent, like a
incense, maybe?
Like definitely something, incense burning or something. But it's definitely has like a Middle Eastern feel.
Yeah, for sure. It makes me think a bit of Marrakesh.
Yeah. Oh, it's really cool here.
We're on our way to Plaza Nueva, but everywhere we go, there's like these super cool alley. So we're not moving very far here. Like, we just keep stopping everywhere because look at that. Like, it looks amazing here.
So we saw the peaks of this building kind of from the distance, and we thought we were at Alhambra, but definitely not the case. But we are at Plaza Nueva, which is right beside it.
We don't have tickets for Alhambra because it was such a last minute decision, and it sounds like you have to book it like well in advance. So we're gonna try and walk, you can walk up to it. So we're gonna see what we can see at least from the outside. We just did a nice little forest walk uphill to get to the fort, which was a nice break because it's 36 degrees Celsius out today. At least here it's all shaded. There you go, we've made it to the entrance. Big crowds.
It was like a straight up hill walk up to get here.
Yeah. There must be, I think there's other ways to come up, different entrances probably.
Lots of tours here though.
Yeah.
So. We're actually within the walled section of Alhambra, but we haven't been asked for a ticket yet, so we don't know if actually we're inside. There's got to be other places where you have to go through an actual entrance.
Yeah.
But it's still like very stunning just with inside the wall.
Yeah, just walking around, you have all these arches here. We were just wondering if maybe we came in through the exit or we're not even in yet.
We kind of just followed the crowd. It seemed like an entrance, but maybe it wasn't.
But just walking around here is amazing. It's almost like a big a village.
Very busy in this spot, even just trying to, lots of tours.
Yeah, the whole place is super packed with people.
And then obviously everyone's trying to go to the exact same spot, like all the hot spots. There's actually a couple sections within the walls that you don't need a ticket, so you can just walk in, but then there's areas where you do need a ticket where they scan it that you have to buy. We didn't end up buying a ticket, so and then we've kind of ripped around the whole place, so we're gonna head out and keep moving. There's this trolley that also seems to go around the whole city. Actually brings you on a city tour and seems to stop at all of the different popular places.
We're walking to the Mirador de San Nicolás to get a better view of the Alhambra. And it's all these like little winding cobblestone little houses and alleys, and it's like 1,000,000 degrees outside.
We're definitely getting our steps in here.
And it's uphill, because if it's not up, then it's not a Mirador, right? But I think we're almost there.
Oh wow, we actually made it to the top. Boiling right now, but like this amazing view.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah. Trying to figure out where we were.
Oh, and we walked so much and we didn't cover
like you can put a dent in it.
Portion of it.
Yeah, great view from up here.
Then you have a view of the city too.
We've been grinding pretty hard here, so to keep it going, we're going to stop for Turkish coffee and tea, Moroccan tea, and maybe a couple snacks. There's a lot of
Baklavas.
A lot of Arabic little coffee places around.
Yeah. That's a cute little
They're actually
place.
pretty cool as well.
Yeah, we are fading hard.
Our last stop of the day is at Paseo de los Tristes, which is one of the promenades where the funeral carriages went on the way to the cemetery.
It's supposed to be pretty famous. I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna go check it out before we completely melt, because it's probably 6 p.m. right now, and
the clouds went away and the sun came out, and it's like a cooker still.
40 degrees probably. So we've made it to the Paseo de los Tristes. It's a big kind of terraces all along the riverbed. There's like a nice bridge, some really nice buildings over there. Yeah, it's stunning.
We're going to shut it down here and go get some dinner. That's it for today, so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.